Salar has a legacy of being a progressive and credible media house for nearly 60 years now. The yearly ritual of an iftar get together was conducted at the office in Bengaluru today. K. Rahman Khan, former deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha, said that this get together has been a practice of years and it brings a sense of togetherness in the holy month of Ramadan.
If there is said, that is a holy month of Ramzan, and during iftar is a fast breaking. Actually, what is iftar means breaking the fast. People assemble in gatherings or in the house or that thing, and then we invite others also, other people from other communities also to exchange for bondness and all. So that has been going on from time immemorial. This is how iftar parties are organized.
What's the future of Salar and how Salar would expand its venture?
It is Salar's media house of almost 57 years. And irrespective of individuals, Salar continues. And it has a mission. Mission is that the people who are Urdu knowing public, we provide a media to them. And right from the beginning, we are trying to bring Salar to the standard of any other language newspaper or any other. The Urdu reader should not feel that by not reading English paper or any other paper, he is missing any of the information, knowledge, or news which is developing in the world. So right from the beginning, Salar was started with this intention, and then by God grace, today it is the spokesman, the media spokesperson to uh, lakhs of Urdu reading public at Karnataka and areas, and we are happy that it is serving its purpose. And we are expanding. See, we are now have online English daily. Purpose is that there are certain issues, certain controversies which has to be explained to other than Urdu reading public, because there is a lot of gap between the Urdu reading public, the minorities, and their uh, feelings, their rights. So we needed a media in English, and now we have now regularly from last 1 year. In Salar, English is also online paper is functioning and is functioning satisfactorily, and we will further try to improve it. And if whenever it was feasible, we will try to bring a print edition of the English papers. Then this is an era of electronic media, it is digital media. So we have uh, undertaken to keep the Solar Media House with all that it is in the field of journalism. We have now introduced a platform, and from last 1 year we are functioning, and by God grace we have loaded more than 1,500 videos, and we our here also we have the same policy. We will not play with the emotions of the people. We will provide information and also correct you the views of the people, the government, and we'll also educate the people for the development and their rights and their constitutional rights.
So, what is your message for those people? Because whereas in mainstream media is not actually looking upon the issues of minorities because they're not given a chance. So, how would Salar in future? Like, how do we
You
approach
see,
them?
this is one of our reason for we are coming out in English also. It is an unfortunate development in the country that the media has become also party, a partial, and it has lost its independence. And minority voice are not projected in the mainstream media. With the result, the people are getting wrong information, and then certain uh, the, the Muslims and the minorities are projected in a very negative way, and a impression is developed through media that the Muslim community in the country is a burden, and they are all sorts of things. They are anti-national. Their patriotism is questioned. Their nationalism is questioned, and they are for a small for each and everything. They will the people will be telling that you go to Pakistan. This situation is a very horrible situation, and for the country as well as to the minorities, they cannot be tolerated such a thing. And how, because the government should not tolerate it. Forget about it. It is the constitutionally, it is a unconstitutional and a crime under the constitution, but it is happening in the country. So we will have to uh, raise these issues and then educate the people and then counter their uh, s- way of projecting the minorities. That is one of the
So,
things.
how do you think the scope of a journalist in future?
Journalism exists. Whether it is scope is not a journalism will have to exist until the research and there will be a different type of journalist now, and journalism will be now with more digital. That is why your what's this social media is developing, and then the information is journalism is not the same journalism 10 years, 15 years back, 20 years back. Now it is a new the, the days, maybe the days of such a mainstream media will be numbered because now social media has taken over.